Today I'm going to teach you how you get more views and watch time on your videos and to generate healthy channel growth. But for you to understand that, you're going to have to grasp the changes that are being made to YouTube and social media as a whole. That's where I come in. I'm going to teach you everything that's changing. YouTube just rolled out this thing called Shorts. Basically, everybody knows what TikTok is, right? And you notice that every social media is copying each other. Like, first it was Snapchat with the stories, then Instagram got stories, now Twitter has stories. TikTok came out, and now Instagram has their own version of TikTok called Reels. YouTube has their own version of TikTok called Shorts. And YouTube actually has stories too. They rolled those out, but not a lot of people have been using those. You have to have over 1,000 subscribers to use stories on YouTube. So not a lot of people are going to be able to do that. But Shorts, anybody could do Shorts. Obviously they're in competition with each other, so I mean, and you can't really just keep an idea. Like, TikTok can't just be the only person with TikToks, you know? Like, you can't really copyright that, so everybody's gonna have their own version. And another thing with TikTok is anybody can do it. Like, anybody can hop on TikTok, and any regular schmojo, you know? But that's been like kind of different with YouTube. Like, people have been established on YouTube, even though you have cases here and there where regular people make it on YouTube, but for the most part people have boohoo equipment. But with the Shorts they added out, anybody could do that, and it's actually mobile support, so it's basically like TikTok. If you have YouTube app on your phone, you can do this. I'm gonna just show you an example of one of my Shorts. This is the first short I've ever posted. I'm gonna show you how this actually works. So I'm gonna go through my last 10 videos, right? We're just gonna scroll down. I average around like 70. That one has like 200. I say I average around like 60 views on my videos, right? This is this morning. I posted a short, basically YouTube's version of TikTok, right? Posted a short this morning before I left. I post the same thing on Instagram too, but I'm not gonna go into that on this video. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'm gonna give y'all all my methods, but right now we're just gonna focus on YouTube. So I posted it this morning, right around like 6 o'clock, and then an hour passed, and it only had like 6 views, and I'm like, oh, I'm about to delete it, right? Because this is the first short I ever posted. Now when you post a short, it can't just be any video. It has to be a vertical video, so that means 9 by 16, right? So it has to be vertical. And in addition to that, you have to put hashtag shorts somewhere on the video, so if it's in the title or the description, that way I'm gonna actually show you what the shorts look like. Like, when you're on the YouTube app, it's only for the YouTube app, right? It's basically TikTok. So if you're on desktop, you won't be able to see it, but you can still post shorts from a computer. You just won't be able to view them like somebody on their phone would. Like, it actually looks like TikTok but on YouTube. So anyways, I heard about it, and I was like, and I'll be watching it myself. A lot of people just re-upload their TikToks to YouTube and just put hashtag shorts, and they get like hundreds of thousands of views, right? So I posted this video this morning, and you remember I said I only had like 6 views or something. I think I like watched a few videos or something, laid down, got back up, and it had 500. And I was like, what the hell? Then I leave for like 10 minutes, come back, and it's at 1,000. So like, it just exponentially just grows. But it doesn't happen right away. Like, it took a few hours, but that's probably because how early I posted it. So now it's sitting around like 3,000, right? So the growth started to slow down a little bit. Like, you know what I mean? It started to cap down around like 2,000. But this is how you know your video is really doing good. If you have more views than displayed. So like, it would show, like, if you click on the video, it only showed like I had 200 views. But if you look at the live counter, I had like 2,000. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I posted this video, first short I ever posted. Now I tried to like, you know what I mean, do the same thing again, and I posted like 3 more shorts, and then I only have like 1 video on. So I don't know how it works, but they are trying to actively push out smaller YouTubers. Now I think anybody can do it, but it might be a preference to people who have been posting consistently. So like, I say for the past, since December, I've been posting regularly. A post a week. Let's just say that. If you're like posting consistently and you already have a good amount of views, not even a good amount of views, like you see these views, again, like this one has 20, this one has 80. Like, as long as you're active, that's a good way to say it. As long as you're active, you should at least have 1 short that does good. Like, if you look at the shorts, they get like thousands of views, but if you actually look at the channel, it's actually smaller channels. Like, I mean, a lot of big YouTubers are doing it too, but most of the time they only push out smaller YouTubers. So yeah, that's another thing to look out for, man. I'm gonna show you my analytics. You can see, actually I can show you right now, 10 o'clock to 11, 10 to 11, I got 1,700 views. All right, but this is when I first posted it. I posted around like 9 to 10. So I posted at 9 o'clock and I only got 200 views, and then the hour after that, it just just went up. Know why? Because basically TikTok, you know, like I said, it's a lot of people just blowing up. So the way YouTube makes money, the more content creators they have, the more people they have watching the site, the more money that they make. So this is basically hiring the chance that somebody actually does do good and people like their videos and they keep watching it and they keep them on the platform, because that's the #1 goal for YouTube, is to keep people watching. You know, they're gonna need new content. They need fresh people. You know, people can't be watching the same people. This is why there's a lot of channels with 1 million plus views and 1 million plus subscribers that you never heard of before, but on your homepage you see a lot of people with like 10K or something like that. You know, like this is why everybody on your homepage isn't the biggest YouTuber. Like if I click here, this guy probably has 200. This guy has 200 subscribers. Like I'm not lying. I'm not making anything up. But if you look at he's on my front page with 137 views, 137,000 views. You look at this guy has 16 million views. Yeah, he has 500,000. But you know what I'm saying? They're trying to promote smaller people. So this is the time to get into it now. While not a lot of people are talking about it, YouTube Shorts, because you know everybody's still on TikTok and Instagram. I don't think it's going to replace it anytime soon, but it can definitely supplement. Like it can make up for like if your regular videos aren't getting enough attraction and you don't know why, like your search optimization isn't really that good. These shorts are like almost guaranteed to get a lot of views, as long as they're like not crappy, like if you're making like a pretty decent video that you will watch yourself, then it's gonna do pretty good. They're just gonna throw it on people's phones. Like I get usually most of the time when you're on YouTube, your homepage is cluttered with stuff, like relevant stuff that you watched before. So if I'm watching a cooking show, next time I go on YouTube, my whole front page is gonna be food, you know, stuff like that. If I'm watching skating or gaming or something like that, it's gonna show related content. With the shorts, it doesn't do that because it's not enough people making shorts, so they're just putting anything up there. So yeah, man, that's another thing to look out for. If you want to know my other method, because I actually got a few methods for YouTube. I'll show you my other videos. But this right here is the future though. This right here is what YouTube is focused on. They're trying to compete with TikTok, so make sure you guys start doing shorts, you know, or at the very least, if you make TikToks already or you're making reels on Instagram already, just snatch them and throw them on YouTube, but make sure you put hashtag shorts. Now I'm gonna give you another tip how to get more views on your shorts at the end of the video. I'm gonna show you some of my other videos that I've done pretty good. Now this was a few years ago. This is February 22nd, 2017. So I was, what is that, like 14? I was actually 13. I was 13 years old when I made this video, and it has 250,000, right? 250,000 in 4 years. Wow, I guess. I mean, that's still pretty good though. Even that's still pretty good. 250,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, 1,000. You know, I got, you know what I mean? I got the sauce, man. I got the sauce. Now, I posted this video, this short I just posted. I posted it today, this morning, and it's my 3rd watch video on my channel. So, and it's only been a day. Probably by tomorrow, it might hit 10K. You never know. It hasn't even been 24 hours yet. It hasn't even been 12 hours yet. Now, this is the tip when you're making your shorts. Now, a lot of people on YouTube look up they watch TikTok videos on YouTube. Now, if you know anything about getting views on YouTube, you know that your keywords are very important. So I think another thing that contributed to my views on this video is that I put the word TikTok in the description, because a lot of people look up TikTok on YouTube. Like, I don't know why they don't just go on their phone, just look on TikTok. Maybe they're just doing something, I don't know, but they look up TikTok. Let's just look this up right now. TikTok. And let's see how many views they get. All right, there's whole channels that just repost stuff from TikTok. Same thing with Vine. Remember when Vine was out and people used to do that, the Vine compilations? They're doing TikTok. Okay, prime example. This random video I clicked, this random guy I clicked on, Wi-Fi plug. 250,000 subscribers, 250,000 subscribers. This is, call it easy, right? 239K, right? He's getting like, not that, he's getting pretty decent views, 100K, 80K, 100K, 200K, right? All this video a year ago. He started this channel a year ago when TikTok came out. So he well, I don't know if it's he, but this person was on it even a year ago before I even started realizing it. Because a lot of people when TikTok came out, like, oh, it's just Vine, it's just rip off Vine, da 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 da, Chinese Vine. But he was on it. The She guy, you look at his oldest video 5 years ago. Okay, he was posting just shitty content, right? He had one video that did pretty nice. So as he started the TikTok compilations, the views just went up. They just went up. Same thing with this. Oh, well, not this guy. This is just a random guy. But yeah, man. YouTube wants new creators on their platform. You just have to make good content. That's pretty much it. You just have to make stuff that your watch time is pretty important. Cause like even if you get a lot of views on your video, you can see where people stop watching your video. So if they just click your video and watch 2 seconds
I'll
of
make you a deal.
Well,
if we lose, I'll subscribe, but if we win...
What is it? I think it's 30 seconds to count as a view. They watch 30 seconds of your video and back out. It's going to count as a view, but they're not going to push your content anymore. They're actually going to kind of shadow ban you. Like they're going to prevent your content from popping up on people's stuff because they notice people aren't watching it. If people aren't watching the videos, then it's driving people away from the website. Let's look up my my Instagram. Just show y'all I'm not, you know what I mean? I ain't no capping my rap, you know what I mean? This right here, and TikTok too. I just recycled this video on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and they both got, well, this one is about to hit 2K, but the number didn't probably update because it's been like at this number for a minute, so it's probably gonna update tomorrow or something. They're all 1.5K plus just instantly, like within an hour, just and growing, you know. So yeah, man, I can show y'all what I did on TikTok, and I can show y'all what I did on Instagram. I actually didn't even like TikTok. Like I don't even like, you know, the dances and like that. I don't really do that, but I just got into it because I was like, you know, why not? You know, if somebody likes my TikTok, they might click on my YouTube, because my YouTube is the main thing I'm focused on right now. Posted on Instagram, posted on TikTok, they did pretty good, so I'm about to start doing that, and I can show y'all exactly what I did on there. It's pretty much almost the same thing, but not really, because, you know, there are different platforms in the description of TikTok. Nobody's looking up TikTok on TikTok. So I can show y'all what I did to get these views. Give me to, I'll say like, I don't know, man. Like, y'all gotta treat me right. I need like 1,000 likes. You know what I mean? That ain't that much, man. That ain't that much. I need 1,000 likes, and I can show y'all what I did on Instagram and TikTok. I'm gonna just bundle them together in one video. Hopefully it's not that long, but if it ends up being too long, I'll just make it 2 videos. Give me to 1,000 likes, and I'll get y'all 2 videos how to get more views.